Welcome to Module 2. My name is Alex Sidorenko, and in this module, I will talk a little bit about some of the problems and challenges in current business practices associated with planning, forecasting, investment decision-making, and performance management. And one of the biggest challenges is the fact that most of the management disciplines have been designed in a deterministic world. What this means is that most of the business practices, most of the business theories, most of the management textbooks, accounting textbooks, most of the things that we accept as common business practices have been designed around a single plausible scenario. Everything that business does is basically spending a lot of time to come up with the best possible, best plausible scenario, then bet on that plausible scenario, and then kind of plan around that plausible scenario and be surprised whenever something happens differently from the original design. And that, in my experience, is just an outdated way of planning and forecasting and budgeting. The world is much more complex, and today is more complex than ever. So to me, it's just not good enough in the 21st century to put your eggs into a single scenario basket and then live in that narrow view of the future world.